Tired of dull, uneven skin tone? Store-bought bleaches can be harsh, filled with chemicals that harm your skin in the long run. But what if you could make your own natural skin bleach at home? Safe, effective, and glow-boosting. Here's what you'll need. Lemon juice, rich in vitamin C, helps lighten pigmentation. Turmeric, reduces melanin production, brightens skin. Honey, a natural humectant and antibacterial. Yogurt, contains lactic acid for gentle exfoliation and bleaching. In a clean bowl, add 1 tablespoon of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of honey, half teaspoon of turmeric, and half teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Mix everything well until you get a smooth paste. Apply the paste evenly on clean, dry skin using your fingers or a brush. Avoid the eye area. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. Do a patch test first, especially if you have sensitive skin. Use this bleach twice a week, not more. Apply sunscreen after using lemon on your skin. It can increase sensitivity to sunlight. Store any leftover paste in the fridge for up to 2 days. This all-natural bleach gently fades dark spots, evens skin tone, and gives you that bright, healthy glow without any chemicals. Try it out and let your skin shine the natural way. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY beauty tips from Nature Fit.